down.
Do you want another piece of cake? Look at that. Oh. Yum, yum, yum.
I think he said no. It's quite filling.
More cake. I bet. I bet.
Oh, not getting that one back, mate.
Want some water, Max? Wash it down.
What is that? You know, this could be his dinner.
Yeah.
It's got plenty of food groups in it. Carbs and British and dairy.
What's the water? You threw the water off, Max.
Yeah.
You got cake on your mouth, hey face, Max. Oh, what's his water?
No more water, Max. Good journey.
Got a plate back there. Go on that. I'll put it back on the plate. Alright.
Ready to catch. Oh, goes on the plate, Max. On the plate. Alright, darling. Very clever.
You on the camera?